Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I made a video, but we got an unboxing. So we're gonna go through, this company reached out to me asking if I would review their product. This company is called Carluex, and this is the Carluex Pro Plus. Here's the boxing for this individual unit. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so we got the Carluex Pro Plus. This is a wireless CarPlay adapter, Android Auto adapter that seamlessly works when you plug it into your vehicle. You turn it on and it will connect to your wireless device via, if you have an Apple or if you have an Android device. So this Carluex unit it basically transforms your car's infotainment screen into an entertainment center. Smart system, so you'll be able to stream Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, TikTok. So it has all the different streaming platforms, and it works with, I would say, about 98% of cars out there. There is a list of cars that it works with, and different apps that are supported using this device. So there's different devices that you can choose from. This Carluex Pro Plus is one of them. It ranges, right now it's on sale for $349 US, usually $499. Then there's a Carluex Pro wireless adapter that's $299 on sale right now, and then usually $469. And then there is a Carluex Go wireless adapter that is on sale right now for $179 and usually $229 US. So, the different systems have different abilities and different processors and already pre-installed apps. So check out their web link. I'll post it below. The unit that I'm previewing is the Carluex Pro Plus. It's one of their top line products. Let's unbox it. I'm going to show you the features and kind of the setup of this particular unit, and I'm going to be messing around with it and trialing it out for couple weeks, and then I'll do another review video of how I think the product works. If there's any lag, where I see the best fit or best application of use for this product, and then we'll go from there. So unboxing this unit. Here's the Carluex Pro Plus. This is the unit itself. Looks like you can have a SIM card. You can have a micro scan disc card, and then it has USB-C connection for the power. In the box, you also have some pamphlets. Thank you. Quick guide for startup. So 1, 2, pretty simple, looks like, to set it up and to activate this unit. And then you also have the cables. So it's a USB-C cable. So it's a nice braided cable. Plugs into the unit here, and then it looks like you have options. You can use USB or USB-C, depending on what your vehicle has. So we will go plug this unit in, we'll get it set up, and we'll start playing around with it. Alright, so I started my vehicle. We're going to unplug my other wireless CarPlay adapter, which was AutoPro. Get out of here. So I can't do anything. I haven't looked at the quick start guide, so we're gonna try to wing it. So we got nothing connected, no phones, no nothing. I'm gonna connect my cable here that the unit came with. I'm gonna use the USB. Actually, I'm gonna go USB just because it's open right now. So connect my USB, and then we'll connect the other end to the Carluex unit. Like so. Alright, so now we got a red light. So, what does that red light mean? So we gotta probably connect. Oh, I got a message here for CarPlay. So we're gonna hit continue. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the quick guide. So searching for a phone. That's my car's doing that. Alright, so we're gonna go. Looks like it's already connected. So it just took a minute there to connect by itself. I'm gonna go to the CarPlay or the Apple CarPlay. Let's see what it does. Searching for a phone. Alright, look at that. So that was, so it just took a minute. The unit actually turned blue, but I didn't do anything on my phone. I just plugged the unit in, plugged it into the car, and it basically synced itself. So now I'm gonna go to this Z-Link 5. So on the Z-Link 5, I'm gonna go to now my phone and go into settings. Gonna go to Bluetooth. I got tons of devices, sorry about that. We got Carluex, so I'm gonna click on Carluex. I'm gonna pair it. I'm gonna allow the sync to happen. And I'm gonna say use CarPlay. So it just popped up. I didn't touch anything. So let's use CarPlay. Navigation, and there it goes. Bam. So it looks like I am all connected now. So it looks like my CarPlay's here. I have everything, different apps, different. Looks like it's a little sluggish swapping between screens, but we'll play around with that. Let's try the music out. Everything looks like it works there, so that's cool. Alright, so then we're gonna go back home. Looks like you got an option to exit car, or there's that white little, looks like anytime I touch a screen, this little icon pops up where I can move it actually around. I can could put it in the middle if I want. I could put it down here, which that would be interference, I would think. So we'll just leave it in that corner, and then I can always tap on it if I need it, tap off of it to go, like, make it go away. We're gonna say I want to try that. All right, so that took me back to this base screen, I would say, as far as this is the unit itself. Like I said, I have the Carluex Pro Plus, so it has different applications already pre-installed. It looks like you got internet. I mean, you got the Google Play Store, you got YouTube Music, YouTube, Spotify. You got different colors, which that's kind of cool. HBO Max, Disney Plus, that is sweet. I don't know if there's more, or guess you gotta scroll up to go down, and then you got Netflix, you got Waze, you got different features there. So very, very neat. So far it seems pretty like seamless. I mean, it flows pretty decent. Yeah, not too bad. I'm not sure. So right now I'm within this unit itself, mainframe OS, I would say. But the question is, if I wanted to go to CarPlay, how do I do it? So I got different, bear with my little sound effects. So if I click that button, if I do that, what does it do? Oh, look at that. So it looks like that's how I can bounce between screens. If I wanted to close out that application, I could close it out. So, and then I'm just basically in my CarPlay right now. So if I exit my car, I just go back to this base unit. Looks like I can add an application. So if I wanted to add, looks like that's Google Assistant. There's Disney Plus. Let's say YouTube. Let's say, go back to this illumination thing. Try that out. Disney Plus. I don't really have a Netflix account right now. Don't have HBO Max, so we'll just start with those ones right now, and we'll go from there. But if I click on the application, wow, looks like it opens up. It says I'm not connected, so I'm wondering if I'll have to play around and see how the connection works. As far as it should be, I would assume that it would use my phone's service. I have Verizon, so I don't know if it would be able to use it or not, but that's something. Maybe I'll look at the settings. I'll play around with this a little more, try to see. So if I click the back button, that's back. I can do a split screen, it looks like, where I can have two different applications going. So I could have my CarPlay going, I could have YouTube, so on and so forth. That's pretty neat. And then that takes you back to your original setting, and then I can just go home, go back to the base. Google Maps looks like it works pretty good. It's loading, but that's the thing, I don't know how it's using the Wi-Fi. Alright, so it looks like I'm paired now. So my wireless device is actually paired to the internet. So this is the way to use, I would say, if you're traveling, or if you're not in an area where you have wireless or Wi-Fi enabled, you would have to pair it up to your phone. And now I believe I can go to the different applications. So now I'm in the different applications. So there's different, here's YouTube, so I can watch different things. Let's see how it works. So that's just telling me I can swipe up.
A cat named Boo spots an empty bowl on the counter. Her immediate instinct is to try and fit her entire body inside of it. But this one was a bit of a challenge.
So the aspect ratio looks a little different. I don't know if that's the video or not, but and I don't think there's a way to, you can pause it by tapping the screen, but I don't know if there's a way to change that. Let's look. Nope. So that's one thing I see. It doesn't look like it fits all the way. Let's see this. It could have been just the video. This is an advertisement. So we're gonna skip the ads. Oh, so here's the outline. I think it was just the video. Looks pretty good. Oh, so pinch. Where is it? It said pinch to zoom. I mean, that looks like it's the full video, so very nice. We're gonna pause that. We're gonna go back home. Boom. That takes us back. So now we have different applications here. We're gonna look at this lighting to see what we got here. There's rainbow. Looks like the actual device is changing colors based off of what we put there. So if I want red, we're gonna take off rainbow. We'll hit just go purple. Looks like it's matching the different colors. There's breathe. Just going through different colors, it looks like. And then we can power it off, I think, as well. Boop. No, maybe not. Yeah. You can power the lights off if you don't want the lights on. So we're just gonna keep it custom. We're gonna keep it to the green. I'm a big green fan. And we'll go back home. Takes a little bit to get the color adjusted, it looks like. Unless that's the color that I chose, but I thought I'd choose green. So we'll watch it and see if it flips. Here's Disney Plus. I'll try to log in. Oh, my car just turned off, so. Looks like it's pretty quick startup. It looks like I can take telephone calls here. So that's my device. I can dial. I don't know if there's history as well. So, and then I can go back to the home screen or my different application. So if I wanted to go to, so maybe I'll move this. If I delete that, I can put that there. I want to make it so that I can, this one. So that takes you into your CarPlay. We'll try to play around with it a little more, and then I'll have another review video as far as after using it and kind of getting my hands in all the different applications and just overall what I think. So, but check out this link for this unit. This is the Carluex unit. As of right now, it looks really nice. I kind of need to get involved with the different applications and kind of applications that where it would be used and different things like that. But overall, I think my thoughts are it's pretty good so far. Was a little tricky on getting it set up. I think as far as actually setting up to CarPlay, that's pretty simple, I think. But to do the different applications, I think that's where it gets a little tricky. So we'll try it out. I'll let you know what I think, and we'll go from there. Thanks.